I was just noticing that the water I'm painting with does similar things to the frozen waterfall. In this kind of cold, it's drying very slow. There's this wonderful texture coming from the bloodstone there. Building up those layers was a good strategy. So here I am taking on a job that gets me thinking about the nature of movement and chaos and noise, and then the solitude that's coming out of it. And maybe I'm painting some of the things we couldn't see, the movement under the surface. So the initial stages are all about creating some movement and texture and keeping some softness, creating that underpainting that. So let's just encourage it to move a bit with some water. Whee! Just because I can. Things that cause me to doubt myself aren't making me a stronger painter. Like that. While I was working on this series of waterfall paintings, I want to just talk a little bit about some of the other things that were going on with me at the time, because it really factored into my thought process as I was painting. Each painting is very unique, and we don't have to decide which one is better. And I think that's a dangerous thing that we do when we start thinking about comparing or looking at different artwork in context with the other paintings in the series. What it comes down to for me is that art is a way of receiving what I need. If I need to hear that it is okay to just want to make something beautiful without the pressure to also make it excellent and perfect and profound, there's actually something really powerful in that, to just make art as my permission to exist. So another strong shape. If I want to, I can think about going even darker with some of my darkest darks. I don't think I've ever had a time where an artist has showed me what they were doing and I've said, you've wasted all your time. Everything you do is going to teach you something, whether you know it or not.
It's just, you just make another one, and then you just make another one, and you keep learning and you keep exploring and you keep being curious about what direction you want to go.